If you're looking for side hustle that's going to fetch you extra cash in 2025 and beyond, here is the video you have been looking for. Do not skip, watch to the very end. Learn side hustles that's going to fetch you extra cash. This is MoneyVista, your shortcut to financial growth. In this video, I'm going to show you 7 side hustles that you can start right now that's going to fetch you extra cash. The most sweet part is this side hustles does not require big investment. It just requires your time, your skill, and a little hustle. Now let's quickly dive into these 7 side hustles that you can actually start now that will fetch you extra cash. Number 1 is freelance writing. Freelance writing. Now a lot of companies are in need of freelance writers that can actually write for them. If you are competent enough to write for companies, you actually get paid for it. It's another cool way of getting extra cash. Number 2 is social media management. A lot of social media handles are in need of competent people that can help them manage their social media account. So if you have developed this skill or you learned this skill of social media management, you can engage these handles and start rendering this service to them, and you get paid for it. Number 3 is print on demand. Print on demand is a business model that you create costume designs. It's just a simple business model that you create costume model designs such as t-shirts, mugs, posters, hoodies. So you can actually go into it and start making extra cash for yourself. Number 4 is visual assistance. A lot of companies are in need of visual assistance. Get all the requirement, skills needed, informations, engage these companies, and you get paid for it. Number 5 is online tutoring. Majority of people do not have the time to sit in a physical hall to come under a lecture to attain some level of information or to acquire some level of information that they require to resolve some problem they are facing. So if you can be able to build a brand, create a community whereby you can render those services to them, they will come under you and you get paid for it, for rendering those services. It's another way of making extra cash for yourself. Number 6 is delivery. You can go into delivery or ride shape apps. Go into delivery and you make extra cash for yourself. Then number 7 is content creation. There are a lot of platforms that you can create content with. You can use TikTok, you can use Facebook, you can use Instagram, you can use Telegram. Different platforms that you can create content with. And once you are monetized, you get paid extra cash for yourself. So you check yourself, and anyone that you see that you love to start, give all the time it takes, the energy it takes, and you see that with time, you start earning extra cash for yourself. So which of these 7 side hustles are you willing to start today? Drop it in the comment section, and don't forget to follow MoneyVista for more money tips and practical investment tips. Thank you, and see you in the next video.